Want your fireplace to become the most romantic spot in your home this Valentine's Day? Looking for beautiful Valentine's Day mantel ideas that feel warm, cozy, and full of love? Searching for easy Valentine mantel decor ideas you can style in minutes? Or maybe you're ready to try elegant Valentine fireplace mantel ideas that instantly elevate your living room? Then stay right here, because today we're sharing 15 romantic and easy Valentine mantel decorating ideas you'll absolutely love. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas. In today's video, we're sharing beautiful Valentine's Day mantel ideas, creative Valentine mantel decor ideas, and romantic Valentine fireplace mantel ideas that you can easily recreate, whether your style is simple, cozy, or elegant. Why decorate a mantel for Valentine's Day? A mantel is a natural focal point in the home. Styling it with Valentine's Day mantel ideas instantly sets a romantic and welcoming mood. What makes a Valentine mantel feel romantic? Soft colors, candlelight, hearts, and personal touches. The best Valentine mantel decor ideas feel warm, balanced, and intentional. If you love seasonal fireplace decor, hit like and share this video with someone who loves Valentine decorating. What are the most popular Valentine fireplace mantel ideas? Heart garlands, framed love quotes, florals, and candles. These Valentine fireplace mantel ideas are timeless and easy to style. What Valentine mantel ideas work after winter holidays? Soft pinks, reds, neutrals, and minimal decor transition beautifully. These Valentine mantel ideas feel fresh without holiday overload. Do you prefer bold Valentine decor or soft romantic styling? Tell me below. How do I style fireplace mantel Valentine decor without clutter? Use symmetry, vary heights, and leave breathing space. Clean fireplace mantel Valentine decor looks more elegant and polished. What Valentine decor for fireplace mantel works in small spaces? Low-profile decor, slim frames, and simple garlands. These Valentine decor for fireplace mantel ideas keep things cozy, not crowded. For more seasonal mantel and home decor ideas, check the playlist in the description. What romantic Valentine mantel decor ideas feel elegant? Neutral palettes, soft florals, gold accents, and candles. These romantic Valentine mantel decor ideas feel timeless and sophisticated. How do I use a heart garland for Valentine mantel styling? Drape it across the mantel or layer it with greenery. A heart garland for Valentine mantel adds charm without overpowering. Love cozy and romantic decor ideas? Subscribe for weekly seasonal inspiration. What simple Valentine mantel decor ideas are easy for beginners? Candles, a small garland, and framed art. These simple Valentine mantel decor ideas come together quickly and beautifully. What DIY Valentine mantel decor ideas work on a budget? Paper hearts, printable art, and mason jar candles. These DIY Valentine mantel decor ideas are affordable and personal. For more DIY and home decorating ideas, check the related videos below. How can I decorate a mantel if I don't use my fireplace? Treat it like a shelf. Style decor, art, and lighting. These Valentine Fireplace Mantel ideas work even when the fireplace isn't used. What wall decor pairs best with Valentine mantel decoration ideas? Mirrors, framed quotes, or heart wall art. These Valentine mantel decoration ideas feel complete when paired with subtle wall decor. How long can Valentine mantel decor stay up? Most people display it from late January through mid-February. These Valentine mantel decor ideas work perfectly for the full season. What colors work best for Valentine's Day mantel ideas? Reds, pinks, whites, neutrals, and soft metallics. These tones elevate Valentine's Day mantel ideas beautifully. What's the easiest way to refresh a mantel for Valentine's Day? Add a garland, candles, and one statement piece. Even simple Valentine fireplace mantel ideas make a big impact. And that's it. 15 Valentine's Day mantel ideas to help you create a romantic, cozy, and inviting fireplace display. From heart garlands and candlelight to DIY decor and elegant styling, Valentine Mantel Decor is one of the easiest ways to celebrate love at home. Whether you prefer simple touches or romantic statement pieces, these Valentine Mantel Decor ideas make your living room feel warm and special, all season long. Do you decorate your mantel every season or just for holidays? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more seasonal decorating inspiration. Happy Valentine's Day!